Right, today's chaos is brought to you by the letter L for lathe. As it would appear, we will be taking my lathe to my house at last. It's taken a while to get it there. Bought it off a really nice guy called Wayne. Hello. Today is a continuation of what I did last weekend, which was trying to move the lathe. Didn't record too much last weekend. In fact, only got one real shot because there was far too much going on. But we did use a small lawn tractor, a little trailer, take a fence out, drive across the soggy lawn. So it was entertaining, but there was too much going on to record. So today I'm just going to record me trying to get the lathe built back up and reassembled. Take it from there, really. Right, tidy my work area a little bit. There's not quite so much clutter in the way, so I suppose I better get and shove it in its hole now. Okay, so I've gone and put some overalls on to save everybody the embarrassment of builder's bum crack. I suppose better get on and get the rest of these lathe stuck together. Put a seal around each bolt, and we've got some riser blocks that are going to go in between the lathe and the coolant tray, so it just makes clean. These were made by Wayne, the previous owner. They're a really good idea and he's done an excellent job. But yeah, it's just to keep the lathe a little bit higher and make clean down underneath it a bit better and generally just help a bit. So I better get on with that bit. I could live with that. And the lathe though, that's the thing. Right. Right, we're just putting a small amount of silicone around each hole so that when we actually have coolant sitting in here, it doesn't go all inside the cabinets. I do apologise for the wibbly wobbly camera in. I've got an old GoPro that's got no image stabilisation. In fact, it hasn't got a great deal. It's a bit old and knackered. Just had to glue the front back onto it. Come on. Come on. I've probably done those holes too small. And now this isn't going to sit. I probably could have done this on the bits of aluminium, which have got big holes like that. How do we get a bolt in the cabinet that we can't get into? Who'd have thunk, eh? Oh God. I think it might have been stuck on that bolt. Apologies first, my batteries ran out on the camera and I was unable to finish sort of showing reassembling it really. It was just putting tailstock back on, putting the guard on, putting the DRO on and just finishing off really. Right, got things a little bit more set up now. That's going to be your cameraman for the day. You'll be all right up there. Got quite a few nice bits and bobs. Obviously the light for the lathe. Do need to try and find an LED bulb, like a conversion kit. So if somebody knows of one, could you put it down in the comments please? Got a nice face plate. Got quite an assortment of tooling, like quick change tooling. door. Obviously the guards, which nobody seems to fit. Another load of quick change tool bits. All the original gears. There's a 4-jaw chuck in there. The running steady, and some of the original bits and bobs. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put you down for a minute. Got the first bit set up in the tool post. Just check my feeds and speeds. So what have we got here? We have B2, which is about 380. That seems reasonable. Got to get used to the feeds and speeds on this, but we'll see. One thing I don't like is that I have to change the apron direction to go in and along. It goes in and then that way on one speed and that the other way. Don't like it so much, but there you go. Let's see where we are. And we're going backwards. So I don't actually think that's too bad for first try. Think could have got the tool angle a tiny bit better. It's not really that nice a face, but that for just practicing with the centering isn't too bad. All in all, I think we now have a working lathe, which I'm really pleased about. Anyway, thank you all for watching, if anybody does. And I'll probably have more welding stuff because I've now got the 16er.